Lately I've been dreaming that I saw you right as you were leaving. What if I caught you? And what if we danced?
The connections we make from love can be felt across so many barriers. I knew from the moment I met you that we were going to be best friends. I firmly believe that this marriage is the greatest gift from God that I have received in my lifetime. I vow to continue learning about you as we grow older together. I vow to always be your biggest supporter. I vow to prioritize our marriage through all aspects of our lives. I vow to help you in your walk with God and not hinder it. I vow to laugh with you through the good and pray with you in the hard. I vow to do all of these things and more. I can't wait to officially start this new chapter of our lives together, forever and always, baby.
To somewhere prettier, look at all we've made. Could it all mean?
I vow to pray for you every day, whether it be one of gratitude and joy or one for empathy and patience.
For something.
I vow to continuously learn more about you and to pursue you with every day.
Love is my confession to you.
I vow to honor the child in both of us and to play with you and to belly laugh with you until there are tears running down both of our cheeks, and to be the one to wipe them away. Even if they're tears of joy, anger, sadness, or stress, I'll be there for you. I vow to love you and to lean on you, especially when you and I become parents of our own children someday.
Maybe there's a way we could see the whole world.
To breathe with you when it feels like there isn't any around. I vow to love you until the last breath, okay? Forever and always, sugar booga.
I think I found my home. It's not in California. She's looking at me now.
With great joy in front of all your closest friends and family, by the authority given to me by the state of Colorado, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Riley, you may kiss your bride.
Finally.
Janaye and Riley, you're both selfless, caring, and godly people. You have patient hearts, kind souls. You take every opportunity to lift each other up and have put the Lord at the center of your relationship. I can only wait to see what God has in store for you now that the two of you have become one.
There are going to be plenty of leaps of faith to make over the course of your lives together. I'm already astonished at how well you both keep faith at the center of your relationship. So I have no doubt that you're going to be able to tackle everything that is thrown your way. Would you all please raise your glasses with me? Here's to Riley and Janaye. I love you guys.